Okay, so if you're anything like us, trying to stay on top of all the information out there, finding the right tool is, well, it's crucial.
Absolutely. And we often turn to the AI agent store to kind of see what's new and effective.
It's become our go-to shortcut, really, saves a ton of time searching.
And today we're looking at one we found there called ChatGPT Atlas. It's listed as a personal AI assistant, but they call it an AI browser.
An AI browser, huh? That sounds ambitious.
It does, and potentially really useful, especially if you spend a lot of time learning or researching online.
Right. So let's get straight to it then. Is ChatGPT Atlas actually a game changer, or is it more like just a nice interface for ChatGPT? Does it really help, say, a researcher or a student more than standard tools?
Well, first off, what it is,
Yeah.
it's a dedicated web browser specifically for Mac OS right now,
Mm.
and it's closed source using a freemium model.
Okay, macOS only for now. And closed source, got it. But the key is that ChatGPT integration, right? How deep does it go?
It's fully baked in, not like an add-on extension you install separately. The AI is sort of native to the browser itself.
Which should mean it's smoother than juggling browser tabs in a separate AI window, because that copy-paste dance gets old fast.
Exactly. That's the core value proposition, I think. Reducing that friction, that constant context switching. It aims to keep you focused.
Okay, so what are the standout features then? How does it actually do that?
Well, the big one is the ChatGPT sidebar. You're on any web page, and you can instantly ask it questions about the content or get a summary. No copying needed.
That alone sounds useful. Just quick summaries on the fly.
Yeah, and it has an optional memory feature too, so it can recall context from your browsing if you allow it, which helps with ongoing research.
Contextual memory. Interesting. Well, that's...
The other really practical feature is highlighting text. You select any text on the page, maybe a confusing paragraph, or even an email draft you're writing in a web app.
Mm-hmm.
And with just one click, Atlas can rewrite it, analyze its tone, expand on it, whatever you need. Right there.
Okay, that speeds up both reading and writing. I can see that being helpful for knowledge workers, students, founders, the target audience they list.
Definitely. It tackles that intake and output cycle directly within the browser.
All right, so that covers understanding and tweaking information. But you mentioned it does more, this agent mode. That sounds like where the real automation happens.
Yes, the agent mode. This is designed to let Atlas act across the web. Think performing multi-step tasks.
Like what kind of tasks? Give me an example.
Things like researching a topic across multiple sources and comparing findings, maybe handling online shopping comparisons, or even booking things. Tasks that usually involve clicking around, opening tabs, filling forms.
Okay, now that sounds powerful, but also potentially risky. How much control does it actually have?
And that brings us to a really crucial detail. Its autonomy level is rated at 41%.
41%. What does that mean in practice? It's not just running wild.
Not at all.
Mm.
That number signals moderate autonomy. So yes, the agent can perform those steps, opening tabs, clicking, filling things out, but, and this is key, it requires constant human oversight.
Constant oversight, so you have to watch it.
You have to approve its actions. It will pause and explicitly ask for your confirmation before it takes any significant step, like submitting a form or finalizing a purchase. You're always in the driver's seat.
Got it. So it's more like an assistant that handles the legwork but waits for your go-ahead on the important stuff.
Precisely. Think of it as a very capable co-pilot, not autopilot. It manages the process, but defers the critical decisions to you. It builds trust.
That makes sense. It addresses that fear of losing control, which, let's be honest, is a big concern with AI agents. Safety first.
Right. It prioritizes user control and safety over just raw, unsupervised speed.
So wrapping this up for you listening, particularly if you're a learner or researcher, ChatGPT Atlas is essentially trying to be your main browser by integrating AI help deeply. It wants to make understanding and acting on information online much faster.
Exactly. It's about augmenting your ability to go from finding information to actually using it, but always keeping you in charge.
A really interesting approach.
And there are many more tools like this emerging. If you want to explore other agents and see what else is out there, definitely check out AIagentstore.ai.
Yeah, it's a great resource. Well, thank you for joining us for this discussion, and a big thank you to you, the listener, for rating our work. It really helps.